If you are looking for the best DJI Drone 2024, well, you're in the right place. We've dug deep and conducted extensive research, and now we're breaking down the absolute best DJI Drone 2024. We're talking about the perfect balance between price and performance, tailored for different scenarios. If you're eager to find out which suits you best, don't go anywhere. Stick around till the end because we've got all the links for the best prices in the description below. No specific order, just the top contenders of the game. Ready to dive into the world of best DJI drone? Let's get started. Number 5. Autel Evo Lite Plus, a versatile rival to the DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S and Mavic 2 Pro have some serious opposition with the Evo Lite Plus, with a significantly longer flight time than its DJI rivals and a camera with an adjustable aperture. This is an enticing option for those who find the Mavic 3 too expensive to consider. We'd have liked to have seen lateral avoidance sensors and a C label, but in all other respects, the Lite Plus is an amazingly versatile piece of flying camera equipment. As the flagship flying machine from Autel's latest lineup of DJI rivals, the Evo Lite Plus goes directly up against the Air 2S, capable of shooting 5.4K footage at 30 fps using a 1-inch sensor. It shares a remarkably similar spec sheet, but it also both leapfrogs the Air 2S and the Mavic Pro 2, that's 40-minute flight time and adjustable aperture, ranging from f/2.8 to f/11. The Lite Plus model does lack the fourth-axis stabilization of its Evo Lite sibling, but the larger pixels on its sensor give it better light-gathering potential in dim conditions. Pro drone videographers might think twice about the lack of 10-bit video and D-Log profile, while the omission of side sensors for obstacle avoidance is a shame. But in all other respects, we found the Lite Plus to be an impressively versatile piece of flying camera equipment in our review. For the money, its 20MP sensor is probably the best camera available on a drone today, which gives the Air 2S some serious competition. With a very similar sensor and capability, the Lite Plus doesn't offer a compelling reason to ditch the perfectly good drone for another marginally better one. While the Lite Plus does offer some improvements in flight time and camera control, the image quality and performance are close enough that justifying the extra outlay isn't easy. Some flyers might want to wait for the DJI Air 3 and see what that offers, not unreasonably. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's new flagship is the first consumer drone with 3 cameras. This is 2 more than most pilots need, but if you're an aerial photographer or videographer in search of the most versatile drone on the market, the results of our testing suggest the Mavic 3 Pro is the premium pick for you. In our review, we found the image quality of the main 24mm 4/3 camera, the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic, below the best. It's also the winner in terms of adjustable aperture formats and frame rates. That said, both telephoto cameras produce excellent images, and the option to zoom in 3x and 7x is fantastically useful in a range of scenarios. Despite being a pro drone, we found the Mavic 3 Pro incredibly easy to fly, aided by excellent safety features that make it accessible to all users. That said, its pro-tier video modes, as well as its price tag, make it overkill for beginners. Its weight also puts it into the restrictive C2 European drone category. But if you want a top-spec drone that's more portable and less expensive than the Inspire 3, the Mavic 3 offers it all, plus 2 telephotos. The Mavic 3 Pro is the world's first triple-camera consumer/prosumer drone that confidently takes the flagship position in the Mavic 3 series of drones. With the excellent 20MP 4/3 main camera and 70mm and 166mm telephoto cameras, this is the most versatile Mavic drone to date. Image quality is great overall, but with a weight over 31.74 ounces/900 grams, the Mavic 3 Pro falls into the C2 European drone category, making it more restricted than models weighing below 31.74 ounces/900 grams. If you can make use of the 2 telephoto lenses on offer, the Mavic 3 Pro is the drone for you. Both are impressive, but of the 2, it's the 70mm medium telephoto that offers the most in terms of image quality and functionality. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 2S is no longer new, but it remains one of the best all-round drones you can buy. By combining the compact design of the DJI Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro's image quality, it's a great choice for anyone looking to shoot high-quality aerial videos and photos from a compact drone. The newer Mini 3 Pro is smaller still, but the Air 2S has a larger 20MP 1-inch sensor and squeezes that into a folding design that's still only 595 grams. While the Air 2S is slightly pricier than its predecessor, it's well worth the extra cost. With dual cameras and improved wind resistance, the DJI Air 3 represents a significant upgrade over the already capable Air 2S from 2021. A 720 grams takeoff weight puts the Air 3 in Europe's C1 category, meaning it's subject to more restrictions than the sub 250 grams drones in this list. But you also get a lot of benefits for the extra baggage, including a generous 46-minute flight time. In testing, we found image quality class leading, as we've come to expect from DJI. Fixed apertures aren't helpful for users of ND filters, but we found that the 3x zoom lens allows you to work at a safe and legal distance from subjects, a particularly useful feature if you're recording wildlife. Because the DJI Air 3 is a big drone, many novices will find the Mini 3 more manageable. That said, we think beginners will have no issue piloting the Air 3 thanks to its easy interface and useful safety features. As a middle ground between the more affordable Mini 3 Pro and the highly capable Mavic 3 Pro, it makes a lot of sense. Thanks to its 595 grams weight and folding design, the Air 2S is the smallest and lightest consumer drone available with a 1-inch sensor. The newer Mini 3 Pro is smaller still, but only has a 1/1 3H sensor. This means you can enjoy excellent image quality and comfortably take the drone away on trips. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is an enticing choice for eager drone pilots willing to sacrifice the obvious safety benefits of collision avoidance for a more affordable model. In most other respects, the Mini 3 will undoubtedly tick all of the boxes. It offers all of the standard photo and video features. Photos are limited to 12 MP, unlike the Mini 3 Pro, which can shoot 48 MP photos using the same sensor, but image quality is equally impressive. If you don't need the reassurance of collision avoidance, the Mini 3 is the best budget drone you can buy. Small, lightweight, and more affordable than the Mini 4 Pro, it delivers identical image quality to its costlier sibling. Provided you're confident to navigate in-flight obstacles without automated assistance, it's a high-quality drone capable of capturing excellent JPEG and RAW stills, as well as 4K video at up to 30 fps. Helpfully, its 12 MP sensor can also rotate to shoot in portrait. A lack of log profiles limits its appeal to professionals, while the absence of subject tracking marks another downgrade from the Pro version. That said, the Mini 3 still features quick shots, which allow beginners to capture cinematic footage using automated flight paths. We found it an easy drone to pilot with the optional controller, with downward vision sensors and GPS to help with hovering. Stepping up to the Mavic 3 Classic would yield better image quality and increased stability in windy conditions. But with decent real-world flight times of 25 minutes, the Mini 3 ticks all the key boxes for budget buyers. If you're new to drones and don't want to spend a huge amount of money, the Mini 3 is a great starting point. What's more, image quality is identical to the more expensive Mini 3 Pro, so you won't outgrow the capabilities of the Mini 3 too soon. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a superb sub-250 grams drone with features that make it ideal for professional and enthusiast use alike. Video functionality has been improved with the introduction of the D-Log and color profile, and 4K 100fps slow-motion capture alongside other new features, while omnidirectional vision sensing makes it safer to fly the drone in more complex environments and delivers further advanced functionality. With a lightweight build and pro-grade features, the DJI Mini 3 Pro was previously our favorite drone. The Mini 4 Pro builds on its qualities to deliver an even better experience, albeit not a radically different one. If you already own a Mini 3 Pro, it probably doesn't justify an upgrade. But if you're switching from a different model or buying your first Mini series drone, it's an excellent choice. Its small, folding design is almost identical to the Mini 3 Pro, as is the regulation-friendly 249 grams takeoff weight. Also the same is the 1/1 3-inch sensor, which still delivers excellent image quality. Thanks to processing updates, we found it even better at handling noise and low light. Serious videographers will also welcome the new D-Log and color profile, which offers greater consistency with the Mavic 3. Obstacle avoidance is now omnidirectional, meaning the Mini 4 Pro is even safer than its predecessor when it comes to operating indoors or near trees. We also found Active Track 360 degrees highly effective, making it an easy drone for beginners to fly confidently. If you could afford the DJI RC2 controller option, you'll have the best backpack-friendly drone bundle.